Hello again, another of my videos where I work through and explain AQA A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try and answer the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer D, well done. So, if you didn't get the answer, let's work through it together. Which diagram shows lines of equipotentials in steps of equal potential difference near an isolated point charge? Well, if I have a point charge, let's put my point charge there, the lines of equipotential are going to be concentric circles around that point charge, and if they're in equal steps, those lines, those concentric circles, are going to get further and further away from each other. So, very badly drawn, but that's what I'm trying to show. I'm trying to show the distances increasing as we get further away from the point charge. So, pretty obviously, that's parallel, that's not, I don't know what's going on there. These aren't because the steps, the distance between each concentric circle is the same, whereas D shows concentric circles and the distance getting larger each time. The answer is D. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please subscribe, please like, pass these on to your friends. They're great for A-level success. Thank you for watching.